Hi C-Mills, it's Mr. Johnson here, and I've got your end of year TT Rockstars Award Assembly, and I'm going to be talking about lots of children who have done some fantastic work on TT Rockstars this year. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have got end of year statistics for everybody, every class, and what we're going to do is start off by looking at just some whole class statistics. So we've had an incredible year on TT Rockstars. So the first thing to say is our average speed is 3.4. So in the school, we're all answering questions at about 3.4 seconds per question, which is excellent. We've had 95% of children playing this year. So that's out of 100. So that's really close to nearly everybody who has a TT account playing, which is brilliant. On average, we've played for about just under 7 minutes every day, which is pretty good. And our accuracy is 93%. So we just need 7% more to get full accuracy. But that is fantastic. So well done to everybody. So year group stats. Firstly, I've ordered this by speed. So the quickest class in the school is Mr. Davies' class with 2.48 seconds per question. In second is year sixes with 2.52 seconds per question. Mr. Kelly's with 3.10. Mr. Johnston, my class, with 4.32. And Mrs. Thomas with 4.92. Okay, so that's out of everybody in that class. That's the average of how fast everybody is. So that's still really good for everybody. Accuracy is also really good. So accuracy is quite high. The class with the biggest accuracy score, however, is year 3. And in terms of daily minutes per active player, well, all classes are mostly on, and you can see there that we've got the numbers 46 seconds, 36 seconds, 33 seconds, and 44 and 20 seconds. So that's about how many seconds on average those people are playing every day. But that's spread out across the year. Then you've got average coins per person. So it takes up all the coins in your class and it gives an average. And you can see that year 3 have the most average, followed by Mr. Kelly, the year 4s, and then year 5s, 6s, and then 2s. And at the end there, you've got average correct answers per person. So you can see there, the whopping 6,500 is Mr. Davies, and that is followed then by year 3, and then year 6, and then year 4, and then finally Mrs. Thomas in year 2. Now then, each year group, I've had a look at the statistics for everybody in that year group, and what I've done is I've looked at which children have improved the most over the year. So I just picked out a top 10 because it was really close with some of the classes. So well done to these children. So Remy, Eric, Ruby, Clara, Evelyn, Alec, Evan, Gregor, Medi, and Lily. Your accuracy has improved over the last year in year 2. So that's fantastic. Well done. In year 3, well done to Phelan, Jamie Lee, Alea, Sienna, Amelia, Andoni, Raoul, Joel, Noah, and Rowan. So you guys are the top 10 in year 3 for biggest improvement in accuracy. In year 4, Monty, Arinko, Melissa, Harvey, Sanchia, Lily, Ezekiel, Nico, Cole, and James. You've all done a fab job of improving your accuracy. And finally, in year 5, Anna, Billy, Nevea, Ziggy, Thomas, Joshua, William, Chelsea, Elsie, and Lacey May. So you guys have improved your accuracy by a huge amount. Well done. And the top 10 in year 6 for accuracy improvement is Lexi, Maharley, Lucia, Isha, Nicole, Kelvin, Taylor, Eve, Harry C, and Ava as well. So well done to all those children. Huge improvements in your TT Rockstar skills over this year. So well done to you. Now, I'm going to do the most coins and biggest amount of scores earned over the year. So this is way back to September, ever since then. And what I've done is I've had a look at the stats and find out which children earned the most. So starting off with coins, in 3rd place in the school this year is Joshua in year 4 with 176,919 coins. earned. Well done, Joshua. Second place is Monty in year 4 with 265,881 coins earned. And in first place, and this might not surprise some of you, is year 3 Harry. He has earned a whopping 718,000 coins, 772. Okay, so well done to Harry. And you have been practicing so much, it's obvious that kind of you were going to get the top spot, so well done. In terms of most correct answers, pretty similar really across the year. Monty got 28,932 questions correct. Second place was Joshua with 32,139 correct answers. And again, in first place was Harry with 93,469 correct answers on TT. Massive scores there, guys. Well done. It was pretty close though. I think the fourth place was only about 100 questions off. So, it is all to play for. So well done. Fantastic. First, second, and third there for most correct answers. Now, the biggest improvement this was for me to do, because lots of children were very similar in how much they improved. So I've just taken a screenshot of the kind of top improvers over the year. There's lots of children in there: Remy, Eric, Ruby, Clara, Phelan, Kelsey, Lexi, Anna, Billy, Nevaeh, Ziggy, Harley, Grace, Lucia, Isha, Nicole, and Kelvin. So well done to you guys. But I couldn't unfortunately give a top 3 for this because you all got similar. So overall leaderboard, so this is the quickest in the school. And remember, to make it onto this list, you have to play 10 studio games. And that's the only way you can get your rock speed. So not everyone has done that. So if you want to get onto this leaderboard, the whole school leaderboard, you must play studio. Harry has taken the top spot, and he is the only child to make it onto Rock Hero status. So he is answering 0.99 seconds per question. So really well done, Harry. That's fantastic. You got under the 1 second mark. Very closely followed, though, by Charlie, by Josh, Leo, Arinko, Max, me and Mr. Kelly, Harry, Susie, and Adnan. And remember, all these guys on this page, you should be aiming now for getting under that 1 second mark per question. Okay, but well done to Harry for getting there. You get a special certificate this week on becoming a rock hero by achieving the speed of 0.99. So well done, buddy. Fantastic. Okay, and that is it for our end of year stats. So I'm going to leave TT up for you to play over the holidays if you like. There is no competition over the summer holidays. However, we will restart the competitions when we return. And there'll be some more interesting prizes for those who win. So keep your eyes peeled for that when we head on back. But do keep practicing. As we know, times tables are super, super important, and they help us with lots of areas of math. So do keep up the practice. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks very much for listening. See you all soon. Bye-bye.